Python update a key in dict if it doesn't exist. I want to insert a key value pair into dict if key not in dict.keys. Basically I could do it with. But is there a better way? Or what's the Pythonic solution to this problem?
You do not need to call D keys, so is enough. There is no clearer, more readable method. You could update again with dict.get, which would return an existing value if the key is already present. But I strongly recommend against this. This is code golfing, hindering maintenance and readability.
Use dict.setDefault.
Since Python 3.9 you can use the merge operator to merge two dictionaries. The dict on the right takes precedence. For example, note, this creates a new dictionary with the updated values. With the following you can insert multiple values and also have default values, but you're creating a new dictionary. I've tested it with the most voted answer, and on average this is faster, as it can be seen in the following example. Speed test comparing a for loop-based method with a dict comprehension with unpack operator method. If no copy, d equals default underscore vals.copy, is made on the first case, then the most voted answer would be faster once we reach orders of magnitude of 10, 5 and greater. Memory footprint of both methods are the same.